Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание. Из чего это сделано? Часть вторая. Страница 40, 41, 42, 43. English. Starlight 3. What's it made of? Homework part number 2, page number 40, 41, 42, 43. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 40, 40. Exercise number 1. Read and match. Прочтите и сопоставьте. This is a glass door. This is an aluminium door. This is a wooden door. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. What's it made of? Look and answer. Из чего это сделано? Посмотрите и ответьте. This is an aluminium bin. The answer. This is an aluminium bin. This is a glass jug. This is a wooden spoon. This is a glass vase. This is a wooden chair. This is a wooden car. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 41. 41. Troll Tales. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the story. Послушайте и прочтите историю. Hello, Pog. Where's your brother? He's in the kitchen. Yum, that spaghetti looks good. I am so hungry. Where's my food? There, it's on the table. Popsy, that's our dinner. It's yummy. Is there any more? Now take rolls and read. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 42. 42. My new clothes. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Послушайте, покажите и повторяйте. Shoes, shirt. Dress, t-shirt. Skirt, trousers. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Listen and match. Послушай и сопоставь. Nick, Bill, May, Kim. It's prize day today. Look at Bill. Bill is wearing his new blue trousers and white shirt. Bill looks nice today. Can you see Nick? Nick is wearing his new red t-shirt and black trousers. And look at Kim. Kim is wearing her new pink skirt and purple t-shirt. Kim looks lovely. Can you see May? May is wearing her new green dress. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 43. 43. Exercise number 3. Listen, point and repeat. Послушайте, покажите и повторяйте. Dark cloud. It's raining. It's sunny. It's hot. It's cold. It's snowing. It's windy. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. What's the weather like in Russia? Look at the map and complete the sentences. Какая погода в России? Посмотрите на карту и дополните предложение. The answer. It's sunny in Moscow. It's windy in St. Petersburg. It's raining in Omsk. It's snowing in Novosibirsk. It's cold in Vladivostok. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.